This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make moringa juice for your baby. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves, ensuring they are vibrant green and free from blemishes. Also, have on hand a 1/4 cup of purified water, a reliable blender, and a fine mesh sieve. Sterilizing all your equipment beforehand is a crucial step for your baby's safety and health. Now, let's prepare the moringa leaves. Begin by washing them meticulously under cool, running water to remove any dirt or impurities. Carefully pick through the leaves, discarding any that appear yellowed, damaged, or have tough stems. Once clean, roughly chop the leaves into smaller pieces. This step helps them blend more efficiently and ensures you extract maximum nutrients for your little one. Next, it's time to blend and strain. Place the chopped moringa leaves into your blender with about 1/4 cup of purified water. Blend on high speed until you achieve a very smooth, consistent paste. Then, pour this mixture into a fine mesh sieve placed over a bowl. Use the back of a spoon to gently press the pulp, extracting every drop of nutrient-rich juice. You want a clear, smooth liquid. Finally, serving and storage. Offer your baby a very small amount, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons, of the fresh moringa juice immediately. Always introduce new foods one at a time to monitor for any reactions. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For optimal freshness and safety, discard any unused juice after 24 hours. Enjoy this nutritious addition to your baby's diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.